Welcome to all cooking enthusiasts and lovers of exquisite flavors. Today, I am delighted to introduce you to a revolutionary culinary companion that will transform your moments in the kitchen. Put on your aprons, because I am unveiling the Philips Compact Multifunction Robot, an 800-watt marvel equipped with 29 extraordinary functions that will turn every preparation into a true culinary masterpiece. Click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. Philips Compact Multifunction Robot is the perfect ally for anyone looking to simplify their cooking experience without compromising on quality. Whether you are a passionate cooking enthusiast or an active person looking to save time in the kitchen, this versatile robot will meet all your needs with elegance and efficiency. Imagine a versatile, shock-resistant robot ready to tackle all culinary challenges. The Philips Compact Multifunction Robot is much more than just a simple appliance. It is a maestro in the art of chopping, pureeing, slicing, dicing, shredding, whipping, beating, kneading, emulsifying, and much more. It's not just a robot, it's your personal kitchen assistant, always ready to make your culinary creation unforgettable. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The astonishing power of 800 watts makes this device a true force of nature. From bread dough to the toughest vegetables, from cheese to chocolate, this robot knows no limits. With ingenious PowerShop technology, the stainless steel blade ensures perfect results every time. And the icing on the cake is that the large feed chute allows you to slide in larger pieces, saving you precious time. Get ready for an unparalleled cooking experience with a 2.1-liter bowl capable of providing up to 5 servings at once. Compact yet powerful. This kitchen robot fits into all kitchens, even the smallest ones. And after delighting your taste buds, cleaning becomes a breeze, as all the accessories are dishwasher safe. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price right now. But that's not all. Imagine effortless preparations, a simple and quick assembly of all the components, and a compact design that conceals incredible power. Philips has thought of everything, even the color, to make your preparations easier. Simply match the color of the accessory with that of the speed for perfect results every time. For those seeking a balanced culinary life, the Philips Compact Multifunction Robot is your essential ally. It's time to say goodbye to the constraints of cooking and let this technological maestro transform every meal into a gastronomic experience. Is the most beautiful and is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Now let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Exceptional versatility. With 29 functions, this robot excels in a variety of tasks, from chopping to emulsifying, offering unmatched versatility. Advantage number 2. Formidable power. Its 800W motor ensures quick and efficient preparation, handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. Advantage number 3. Ease of maintenance. All the accessories are dishwasher safe, greatly simplifying the cleaning process after each use. Advantage number 4. Reduced footprint. It is compact yet powerful. It fits perfectly in the smallest kitchens without compromising its performance. Advantage number 5. Impeccable design. The color codes for speeds and accessories simplify usage, ensuring perfect results every time. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Bowl capacity. With a 2.1-liter bowl, some preparations may be limited for very large families or events. Disadvantage number 2. Noisy. Like most powerful devices, it generates a certain level of noise during use, but keep in mind that the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Let's make the Philips Compact Multifunction Robot an exceptional choice to simplify and enhance your daily cooking experience. So, don't waste another minute and click on the link in the description to discover the best price and learn more about this technological gem. Transform your kitchen, transform your life with the Philips Compact Multifunction Robot. Order now and let the magic happen. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.